Hi folks, today I'd like to show you how to work with the Excel and how to freeze panes and also how to manipulate with the table and so on. I got a question from you, so I'd like to quickly answer to this. So simple, I open Excel and we would like to directly create a new Excel spreadsheet with some values. So for example, over there will be text 1 and over here will be, for example, text 2 and so on. So what does it mean? You are able to select these two texts and make it bigger, yes? So I will really select and system will automatically write text 2, text 3 and so on. So we will finish somewhere at text 57, yeah? It will be really huge table. And also we are able to put some value here. So for example, 11, 12, 13. And if you will select and you will drag your mouse down, the system will automatically write the numbers what you selected. If you will specify, for example, A1 and over there will be A2, A3 and so on, so system automatically recognize. So if I will select double click over here, the system will count everything downstairs. And if you will hit to the right, you can extend and the system will automatically make a copy. So it will be really huge table, and this table we would like to manage and set as the table. I will specify the only part of this table. So for example, we will select only a few columns and rows, as you can see here as the quick example. And if I will select insert and table, yeah, you can also use the Control T as the map key, so or keyboard shortcut. The system will ask you for the selected region, and if you will write my table has headers, the system will transform text 1, text 2, your header, as the main information. If I use the undo and I will select again insert and I will don't use the my table has a header. So what does it mean? The system will create new header for you and you are able to change names. Also, you can see that system will change the visualization of the table, and really nice. Also, you are able to change the color preferences here in the table design, and you can specify your custom colors and combination. And doesn't matter if you will select part of the table, I use undo again, or if I'll use the Control End, the system will jump directly at the end of the table, and you can quickly and easily select the whole table and then select table and only confirm OK. Yeah, so it will be whole table selected. And now you can see that I can scroll to the left and right and so on. So, but your question was also about how to fix the rows. And over there, if I will scroll down, you can see here that right now my header row, yeah, disappear. And it's not so good sometimes. So we are going to jump to the View tab, and over here is the freeze panes. We have two possibilities. You can, for example, use and freeze top row or freeze first column. So it's up to you. So for example, we can quickly example for freeze top row, and then you see that number 1 is still fixed and you can scroll down. Also, what you can do is that you can choose and use unfreeze. Yes, so you can select unfreeze panes, and then again it will be possible to move anywhere and how you want. Yeah, so it's up to you. And also I'd like to show you that you can select any pane and freeze. So simple, for example, we would like to freeze this cell. So what does it mean? Everything what is up and left will be freezed. So if I will use the freeze the panes, now you can see here that system create for me some line here. So if I will scroll, yeah, you see it is moving, and if I will go up again, it will be still freezed. So over here is possible to recognize that is freezed. I hope so. That was a good and quick explanation how to freeze the panes and manipulation in the Excel table. Thanks again for your question, and take care and bye bye.